When I was a much younger medical malpractice trial lawyer, my mentor asked me a question. He said, "Frank, when do you think a trial begins?" So I said, "Well, the trial begins as soon as you come into the courtroom and begin your case." He said, "That's what everybody says, but that's not the right answer." So I want to share with you what he shared with me, because I was fortunate enough to have good mentors coming up as a young lawyer, and the tips that I got, I want to be able to share with you. I'm Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. I've been doing this for over 33 years. During that time, I've had the privilege of representing thousands of people, helping them get the justice and compensation that they deserve. I've tried many medical malpractice cases. So he said, the real answer is the trial begins as soon as you walk into the courthouse. Why? As soon as you walk through those doors, there are prospective jurors that could be walking in with you. There's court personnel. There are people at the metal detectors helping you go through security. And there's the general public. And as soon as you walk in, you're on display. When you go through that metal detector, you have no idea if there's a prospective juror standing right behind you. So how are you talking to court personnel? How are you addressing the people that are helping keeping you safe by going through the metal detector? If you come in with a co-counsel, what are you saying to the co-counsel? When you get in the elevator, what are you talking about? How are you acting? You have no idea who's in that courtroom with you. And if you act in a way that's unprofessional, and that prospective juror comes in, and that person was right behind you or in the elevator with you, can you imagine how they're going to perceive you? It's not going to be good. So that trial begins as soon as you walk into the courthouse. And when you walk into the courtroom, you must, and I repeat, you must go up to the court personnel, go up to the court clerk, go up to the bailiff and introduce yourself. Ask the bailiff how they like exhibits to be introduced. Every courtroom has its own protocol. You need to be respectful of court personnel because they can help you or they can make your life during the trial very, very difficult. Be professional, introduce yourself, make them want to help you. I can tell you from my own experience that when I took this advice, the trials ran much more smooth. The court personnel were much more helpful in making sure that I got them the information that they needed. So, when does a trial begin? A trial begins as soon as you walk into that courthouse. And that's probably one of the best pieces of advice that I got. You didn't learn this in law school, and many lawyers, I don't know any lawyer that's going to tell you that. I was fortunate enough to have the one lawyer who did. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button so you can take advantage of all of my videos. All the videos I put out there are a free resource for you. Appreciate you watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon.